Hi, I'm Zealy. Today I am doing my unboxing video for the April Book Box Club box. So here we go. Well, it is worth noting actually that from this month they have changed how the parcels come. They're coming via tracked mail in the UK anyway, at least. I presume elsewhere. So it's a little more secure. So here we go. This is the box as is. Right. First up we have our, as usual, club invite. Then we have a very thick looking parcel. That's interesting. I'm going to get everything out. There's our usual lovely blue or turquoise filler again, and then underneath the book, I don't know how easily you're going to be able to see it. Oh, we have all of the goodies there. Okay, so let's have a look through first. We have all these absolutely beautiful cards. In fact, I'm going to open the book to see if it sheds a little more light on it. Oh, also the box this month is called the Cursed Kingdoms box. That's the theme. Okay, so let's open up the books or book. I'm not sure. There we go. As usual, super beautiful wrapper. Right, this is in fact a book. Two extracts up together. First up we have Fawn. It's beautiful. Do you like this cover? One princess, two fates, an impossible choice. Next up we have Seven Endless Forests. Another absolutely beautiful. It says, from the author of The Boneless Mercies. Oh, I like that book. Okay. Adventure, Vengeance, Sisterhood. Oh, I shall report back. Watch out for Mary reviews of those coming soon. So here we have absolutely beautiful special artwork. We've got two cards. Lovely. We've got a special themed Rule the World pouch. It looks super cute on a badge. Sorry, a bag or a book bag or jeans top. This has become very handy with the light mornings. We have an eye mask or a sleep mask. It's Cursed Kingdom themed. Again, really beautiful. We've got some information with some subscription boxes. And then we have got a super yummy cookie. This is Gardener's Cookies. Till the last petals fall. Oh, I love that. That's a really beautiful notion. I shall eat that later. And then we have this Zelly Soap Bar, Rose, Yang Lang and Melissa, made for Wild Eve, the Book Box Club. Face visual. It smells really nice. It smells lovely. Oh, and then hiding underneath all of this, we have the Book of Longings. It's the Book of Longings, the multi-million selling author of The Secret Life of Bees, Sue Monk. So this is a special sampler. Do you like a sampler? I know some people who really don't like them because you get enough to get hooked and then you have to wait months for it, but you know, that's I kind of quite like that, the teaser. Oh, that's lovely, really nice, all sorts of different stuff. I do like one where there's two books in it. So again, with the teaser. Yeah, mask. The patch, like the right way up. Two beautiful cards all up. They're quite sort of strong, so I'd imagine kind of all up. The soap, the cookie, the two lovely looking books, and the special Clubhouse invite. well, that's me for now. I'm going to go off and read all of this and report back soon. Stay safe.